What's the name of this place now?
Owariuzor.
Owariuzor.
We call this one now Ufien.
Yes,
Then Ufien is Ika language.
Yes.
Okay.
That's the thing that's from that perspective.
Ofien, here is Ofien. If you are going to
that is that area that my young man mentioned.
Yes.
Because Ofien.
Yes.
Then if you get to Agbo now, you will see Owofien.
Owofien.
Owaliru.
Okay.
Where all these people came from.
Okay.
So when you are going to Ababo, you will see Ofien is the first place you will see.
Okay.
And that's where we came from.
Okay. That means this Owariuzor came from Ovie?
Yes.
Okay. But something else, I noticed that it's like I say they changed the name to another thing.
For here?
They
call it Evbobanosa.
They call it Evbobanosa, but it did not the name, I don't know. Well, we still be Owariuzor.
Now Owariuzor.
Because I noticed they changed the name to
Evbobanosa.
Okay.
The community people did not see the chief now.
The community people did not agree.
They did not accept the chief.
Okay, did not accept this chief.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So who is the main chief they accepted?
They did not accept anybody.
Okay, no, so you cannot accept anybody. That means there's no chief for this Owariuzor.
They did not accept him.
Okay.
So it was initially they accepted, but the youth
said no.
The youth, we later had the youth said no. They don't want to see him.
And there's no plan to have any monarch, any chief.
For now.
For now. Okay. That means this Owariuzor came from somewhere.
It came from Owofia.
Okay. Because that's why I like to ask questions, so yes, it's clear. Then, which language you speak, Ika?
Yes.
Sorry, can we communicate in Ika?
Yes.
Talk to me in Ika.
No.
Okay. Hello, sir. Okay. That's beautiful. Like I said, to hear from the horse's mouth, let me confirm if it's real that this Owariuzor, this part is Ika. Yes. What's the name, sir?
My name is Mr. Samuel. Samuel,
okay.
Evbobanosa means the land of king.
Okay.
Evbobanosa means the land of king.
Okay.
They say it's the land of king. They now, those people now demanded for somebody that will be heading them so that there will be nothing like a misunderstanding. That is, people that Odiowere will still assist in ruling. Then the Oba now brings somebody from Benin.
From Benin. And the person is from there.
It's not an indigenous of so
it's not indigenous of that Owariuzor.
No.
Okay.
Then they now start debating where they will build a house for
the king.
Then the side of Benin said no.
The imported king. Because the import they bring that one.
The people have to accept because they come from that Owariuzor, Owaliru. Then they now build house. Then the king now stay. When they say that the king started autocratic law, operation of suppressing. So anything at all he said is going to be fine. Anything that's he said. Then they now dictated that the king have been selling their land. Then he sold the land to the Fulanis.
Okay, the king sold their land to Fulanis.
It was there. The anger come. They now report to Oba say, come and carry the person.
Who you bring?
Now your papa bring him. So since your papa don't die, you will take the throne now, make you come remove him for us, say, we don't want her. Then I report the matter to the Oba Palace. Then after more investigation, Oba now find out that all what those people said is true. Now suspend him and say, no, this is not a place that is good for you. Then both the community now, both the two now, both Benin and the Canada team together say, we don't want her. That is why you see that area now.
So they no get king?
No.
But one thing I want to ask, is it not? Does it mean they will not bring king from their community than bringing from?
That is the culture of Benin. They will not go and bring king. The king is going to be somebody from the palace there.
Okay, the palace has to bring king.
Yes, from their person, no another person.
Why?
They don't want any other person to continue enjoying the fruit of the labor of all those people. They want a person from, that's it, a royal palace person. If like this Iru want king now, they say they want king. It is true that the king will come from here because he's born and brought up. Yes. But they will not agree.
From palace.
They
will send it from
yes,
palace.
From palace. They will bring a call and say, now this one.
But that's when I go up. Okay, just like now, as Abaluku there now. If the one enthroned king now, you don't go enthrone him.
No,
they will bring another person.
Another person. He our Ojo will go worship.
Oh, very sad. No, no makes sense.
No
wonder. That's why I see they don't recognize Ojo them.
Yes. Okay. That is why they definitely changed that number to Evbobanosa. Say this land, not be for land of anybody, is land of the king.
The king, yeah.